In the second of my chair twists, I'm going to add a deep hip and glute stretch, which is brilliant if you've been sitting down way too long. So put your ankle onto your knee, take your hand and place it on the outside of the opposite knee and the other hand on the back of your chair. Inhale to find length and extension through your crown and exhale to twist to the back. With each inhale, find a bit more height. With each exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Stay here for 15 seconds and continue with your breathing. Release to the front and let's do it on the other side. So inhale, up, exhale, twist. Inhale, up, exhale, twist. After 15 seconds, turn back to the front and release. You will have given yourself a very deep stretch in your glutes and hips and an internal massage.